Hi, I'm Tanish from the Gujarat Tech Titans, Ahmedabad's first FTC team.
Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we'll be delving into Canva AI. Canva AI doesn't just design posters and thumbnails, it does so many difficult things for people. Like, let's see, I opened canva.com, I clicked design, and now I'm choosing the Canva AI. So, all I have to do is describe what I have to make. So, I want to create a YouTube thumbnail called what could it be? Four AI tools for AI tools for beginners. Okay, and let's just put Canva AI and image. I can see there are a lot of different possible options we can work with. Like, see, there's modify, there's moody, portrait, sketch, but I want to do pop art. So let's get ready. 3, 2, 1. Let's click it, and now we will see. It'll take like few minutes, one or two. Sometimes it can take 30 seconds, but boom, we've got it. And these are some pretty good YouTube thumbnails. It would pretty much capture anyone's attention. I can tell you that. So you can see, look at them. The left one also has the YouTube icon in it. The second one has a person. The third and the fourth one can really capture your attention. So let's try something like this again. Create a YouTube thumbnail for a video called Notebook LLM. How to use it. Alright. So now let's try it again with the same pop art style. Okay, just wait a second and we have got it. Wow. These are some visual identities. Let's remove the style for a minute and let's just try again. These have. Now let's give it its chance to create a thumbnail for a YouTube video called what could we can Gamma AI. How to use it. How to use it. Alright, so now we'll just tell it to like make it catchier because we don't have any style. Because make it catchy to grab views and all of that. We can write all of that and then let's try this now. Alright. It'll take just a few minutes and we have got it. These are some pretty catchy videos, you can see it. You've got 4 different AIs and I like this one the most. Honestly, I think this is the best and I want a few changes in it. Like, let's say we want a light mode version of it. What would it look like if it was a light mode version? So let's try it and give it a few minutes and we have got it. Wow, that was literally a light mode version. But it did its job. Some people might want to use it, but I like the previous one better, honestly. Let's. There are many other things available like design, logos. So let's try our FTC title, Gujarat Tech Titans. Make an FTC logos for a team called Gujarat Tech Titans. Let's see what we can make up. It would be What could it be? What could it be? Let it load. Okay, that's clean. Hmm. 1 minute. Oh, look, it's loaded. Look, the first one looks so good. Oh, it took time to load. Oh, the first and second one look amazing according to me. And now that we've asked it for a bolder color scheme, you can see it. It's like so good. It's got the Gujarat style in it. It's got the tech in it. It's like got everything. I like the first of the second one a lot. Like, look at it. And we can use it on the Canva editor, but all I need to do is really download it. So let's just try opening the Canva editor. And wow. You can also put this straight into Canva because of how it looks. Let's just share and then download it. And I must say, this was an amazing AI. Canva AI has a lot more features. It can create docs, marketing guides, etc. But for now, let's stick to simple images. And that's it. Thank you.